Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and today, as you can see by the title, we are testing out the new Huda Beauty Faux Filter Stick Foundation. So recently Huda Beauty has come out with the stick foundation, the Water Jelly Primer and a brush. So I didn't get the brush, but I have the primer and I have the foundation. So this foundation is said to be a more natural version of the Faux Filter foundation. So it still gives you that filtered effect, supposedly. It's more of a light coverage, but it is buildable at the same time. So you can wear it really light if you want to, and you can also build it up to a fuller coverage if that is your deal. So as you can see, I'm a bit of a full coverage babe, but I do like my foundations more on the medium side because I'm going to be building up a lot of products. So I like to start off with a nice, not so cakey base just so that everything melts seamlessly. So the Water Jelly Primer is said to be more of like a skincare product, more of like an essence, I think she said. And this I think is going to be perfect for like the time that's coming, because we are heading into the winter. So I feel like this is going to be perfect for just adding a little bit more boost of hydration into your face. So if you are dry skin, I think this is going to be something that is going to be, even if you're not dry skin, everybody needs a bit of moisture. So the foundation retails for £32 I believe, and you can get it on Cult Beauty. You can also get it from Selfridges, you can get it from a whole host of places. I'm not going to list out everywhere because I don't know it off the top of my head, but I did get mine off cultbeauty.com. And the Water Jelly Primer I think retails for £29. Personally, I really like the packaging. I feel like it's very cohesive with her brand. Look at the primer and the old foundation. They look like twins. Oh my god, they're so cute. The foundation and the new foundation, very similar, very cohesive. It has an image, a very square image, very sleek image. I'm into it. But yeah, that's enough rambling for me. If you want to see me applying the foundation and my thoughts, please keep on watching. So with the primer, this is called the Water Jelly Primer, and I had initially thought that this was going to be a similar product to the Milk Hydro Grip, but it's not. It's really not. I tried it on my hand earlier and it feels more like, I don't know, it feels more similar to a hand sanitizer. Like it has like no tack to it whatsoever. This is literally water. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, but we'll try it today and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, the texture is very similar to a hand sanitizer. So I got the stick foundation in the shade Mocha, which is the same shade as I have in the liquid foundation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch both of them on the back of my hand just to see if they have the same shade. So in terms of shade, they are very similar, but you can even see that the coverage of the liquid foundation is crazy compared to the coverage of the stick foundation. But this stick foundation is meant to have a skin finish, and that's what I'm excited about. So I'm going to try it out and see how it feels, see how it looks. But yeah, let's go ahead. The match is literally like a perfect match. For a second I thought this had a smell because I can smell this. I can smell the like liquid foundation all the way from my hand, and it's just like all up in my nose. So normally I'm more of a medium to full coverage kind of babe, but I'm interested to see how this is gonna look. Look at how that's just melted into my skin. This is like the perfect no makeup foundation. Like you can still see like a little bit of my imperfections, but it kind of just like smooths out and looks like my skin but better basically. So this is what the foundation looks like fully blended out, and it really looks like my skin. Oh my gosh, I saw a lot of reviews before I watched it, but before I tried it, but I'm actually quite shocked. But yeah, oh my gosh. So I'm going to put one more layer on just to see how I can build it up around my discolored areas. So around my mouth and just a few of my imperfections. So I feel this foundation definitely has a bit of a dew to it, but it's not like overly dewy or anything. It kind of just looks like skin, but obviously because I just put it on, it hasn't really settled into my skin. I can't really say. The primer, I don't know yet. I feel like I'm just gonna have to let you know. I'm gonna update you in the comments and everything to let you know how it does, because this is nighttime. I don't know. I'm not gonna know that much about long wearing. It just doesn't feel like anything, and also the foundation is really weightless. So I'm gonna go off, complete the rest of my face the way I normally would, and I'll be right back to give you an update on how I'm feeling, how it's meshing with all the rest of my products, and yeah. Hi guys, so I'm back. I went ahead to give you guys a full glam look because that's just who I am. It's in the blood. But yeah, everyone that I was seeing try it out was doing more like of a soft everyday, you know, no makeup kind of look, and I just wanted to see how this look would work in my normal routine. Obviously I would like to use it like for more of a everyday foundation, but just wanted to see if it could, you know, rise to the occasion when needed. And yeah, I feel like it did. I feel like it performed very similar to my other foundations. I feel like it looks really nice. It does have that skin-like look, which I like, because when you are doing a full glam, you're going to be layering products anyway, so you don't need to come in full-blown guns blazing and everything. You can come in soft and just layer up to get the desired effect, and I feel like I really like the way it looks, to be honest. I think it looks really cute. But yeah, what do you guys think of it? In terms of the primer, I don't know if I would be using the primer regularly, because the way it feels, I don't know if it was doing much for me as a primer. As a skincare product, which she did mention that that's what it was originally made for, I think I would like it as a skincare product, but as a primer, I don't know. I mean, I'll have to try it out a few more times and I'll let you know how I feel about it, but as a primer, I'm not sure. But the foundation, I really like. And I did end up layering it with a lot of other Huda products. One, because you know when a brand comes out with a product, sometimes it works best with their products, and also two, because I just generally like Huda. I'm a bit of a Huda stan. So with that being said, I ended up using the Huda Easy Bake Powder to set my under eyes, and I used the what's this called? I used the Tantor in medium all around my face to bronze / contour. These are like my staple products. I use them every single time I do my makeup. And on my eyes, I use the Huda Beauty Khaki Haze palette. I do have a video on the Khaki Haze palette, so if you did want to see that, then I'll have that linked up here. I also have a video where I did my normal skin, like my normal highlight and contour routine, face routine, foundation routine, and I'll also link that up for you. So in that video, I basically did every single thing the same as what I did today, apart from the foundation and primer. My thoughts on the products, I really like them. So if I was going to recommend either or of the products, I would recommend the foundation, because as primers go, you probably already have a primer in your collection that is just, it hits every time. And this primer, I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it a few more times before I know. But the foundation hits. I really like it. I like the shade match. I like the coverage. I like the fact that it's buildable. I like the skin-like finish to it. So yeah, I'm very happy with the foundation. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you'd like to see a side-by-side comparison of the original foundation and the new foundation, let me know. If you'd like to see a full face of Huda, also let me know. But that is all for today. Please make sure you like the video if you like, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment box down below. I love to converse with you guys, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next one.